What if ambiguity in your data queries isn't a bug, but a feature? Most AI systems treat vague questions like, what's the average temperature, as errors to fix. But what if users aren't failing, they're collaborating? In open-domain tabular analysis, users don't have perfect knowledge of the data. Instead, they rely on shared understanding, what we call cooperative interaction. A truly cooperative query gives just enough to guide the system, delegating the rest through common sense or reasonable choices. For example, what's the average summer temperature in Copenhagen? The user specifies summer and Copenhagen. The system infers the time frame, June to August, and the method mean. This isn't ambiguity. It's division of labor. But here's the problem. Most benchmarks mix query types. They include data-privileged queries, like the index column or order A729T, that only exist in specific datasets. These leak privileged information, breaking the open domain premise. Worse, most datasets are flooded with unambiguous queries that should be used to test execution accuracy, but they're rare. Meanwhile, complex queries often lack sufficient grounding, making them uncooperative. So how do we fix this? First, stop treating ambiguity as noise. Reframe it as intentional cooperation. Second, evaluate properly. Use unambiguous queries to test execution. Use cooperative queries to test interpretation. Use uncooperative ones to test robustness. Third, build better datasets. Annotate queries by specification level. Support iterative refinement, where systems ask clarifying questions instead of guessing. The future isn't about perfect queries. It's about smarter collaboration. Because in real-world data analysis, the best answers come not from flawless input, but from a shared understanding between user and system. This is how we move from fixing ambiguity to embracing cooperation.